Welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to design a professional gaming banner perfect for YouTube or Twitch. Now create a new canvas, fill it with dark background, import your character render, and mask the edges for smooth blending. Now add glowing effect behind the character. Use red and blue tones for instantly. Type your gaming name in bold font. Add a neon glow around the title. Include small social media icons. Add particles or dust textures. Apply Gaussian blur for depth. And now add secondary light with soft brush. Adjust contrast and vibrance. Center all elements perfectly. Save the banner in PNG.